A bull muskox marks his territory with scent from the glands on his face. He's preparing for the breeding season. He shadows his harem of females as they graze the last of the summer grasses. He must be on his guard. An outsider is arriving, a large male whose intentions soon become clear. The newcomer circles the resident bull warily. The resident must take up the intruder's challenge. Over the next half hour, the advantage ebbs and flows as each tries to finish the duel. If one can turn the other and gore its flank, the fight will be over. And the champion returns to his females. Animals have migrated south, but the musk oxen, with their thick coats, will stay and face the approaching winter.